to it, man. Okay. This is great, man.
Should have cared.
just the wife. What's up, guys? It's Broke Builds here again, and today we're going to be installing aftermarket speakers into my 2006 Civic.
So the speakers that we did get were Pioneer speakers for
the 320 watts. They were on sale, and my front left side door is blown out, so I figured might as well just change it out.
It was about time.
Yeah. But all right, without further ado, let's get straight to it.
All right, guys. So this was the speaker set that we bought for his Civic. We unboxed it, and this is what it looks like. It comes with two in a box. So the two fronts. If you want to buy the two rears, you'd have to buy that separately, or you could just buy it in the whole set. But it's way more. So and it also comes with like a removable top cage if you want to take it off and use that. But we're just gonna probably keep the stock one that's on the door, which isn't too bad. It's pretty decent. We'll figure it out once we take the door off.
Not even sure if we can even take that piece off, but we'll see. Alright, so to take off the door, it's pretty simple. There's a screw here behind the door handle, and there's also a clip that you just push in, and then it should be able to pop out once you take off the actual door. And then using a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver, you could place it under here, like around here, and just pop off this piece, and then there's gonna be two wire harness that you just disconnect. And then once you have that set, there should be another screw around this area, you just unscrew that, and then you're able to pop off the door. So now we're just gonna show you how to do all this. So you don't even have to open the door handle, you can just unscrew it from here. Let me pull this door, there you go. So you just unscrew the screw, pops right out, put that
somewhere.
Yeah, put somewhere you're not gonna lose it. And then I have a flathead screwdriver, so using that, it's gonna come around here and then pry it open just like that. And then maybe you can use your finger, use some leverage over here. It's in there, but you're able to get it out. Let me just use
Let's do this other side right here.
Let me just use this, and maybe this could help. Alright, so with a little of manhandling, you're able to just get it out, and it should look like this. And then there's going to be two clips for you to just pull on. Make sure not to pull from the actual wires, that could damage it.
Or damage you.
Yeah. Where's this clip? Is this it?
All right, so what we did is we pulled off this master control for the windows and door locks and mirrors. All you really have to do is there's a clip under each side. You just there, you just push it down and pull out really hard, and it should pop right off. So it's the same thing with this one. See, that clip is right there. Push it down, pop right off.
Alright, so now once you get out the master control, there's another screw in this section. If you could just, there's another screw right there. So just pop this out. Nice and easy. Oh. And it's a longer screw than the other one, but it comes out. And go ahead and take that. Also, put it in a space so you won't lose it. And now that we have all these off, we're now able to gently pull off the door. It's gonna sound like you're breaking the car, but you're fine.
Just want to give it a little tug.
Just like that. Alright, so again, after pulling off the door panel kind of aggressively, you're not breaking the car. Those are just the clips
Popping off.
popping off, yeah.
These clips right here.
Yeah, these white ones. And something to mention, sometimes these little clips will get stuck in the door, and I don't think that's the case right now. But if that were the case, you just take it off the door with a little pry tool, and then you slide it back into place, and that's that. But just make sure all the clips are on the door before reinstalling it. But now that we're done there, we're gonna come down to the speaker, and we're gonna unscrew this bolt right here. And
Screw the screw.
yeah. Alright, So, long screw. Put this up here, make sure not to lose it. And you should be able to pop it up. Or is this a foam piece? Yeah, you should be able to wiggle it out some way.
Now this is an older car, so it's not gonna come off right away.
Yeah.
Takes a little TLC to get that off of there.
But use the screwdriver and just pry it in here. Alright, so there we go.
There we go.
Seems like it was glued on or
TLC.
there you go. Alright, so now that the speaker's out, there's 2 more clips that you got it. Yeah, there's gonna be 2 more clips in there that you just pop off. If I could find a way.
Alright, so we managed to take off the stock speaker. I'm just gonna give you a quick comparison.
So yeah, this is the piece that pulls off. But so
they don't really look that much different. They're about the same size. The new ones might be a little bit smaller, but the stock ones have like a foam piece around it, so it does make it look a little bigger.
So we're gonna transfer this little foam piece that it has here to prevent it from rattling and like making noises inside the car. But so it's glued on, so just try to be gentle with it. Try not to rip it. It's not the end of the world if you rip it, but keeping it in a good shape is the best. So just be careful. There we go. So this foam piece is going to be transferred on to the new mounting bracket that we have. We're going to try it.
It's all going to stick onto the back of this right here.
Yeah.
Nice and
Well,
clean.
not that part. The
new mounting bracket.
Yeah, but it's still on the back side. So before installing the new speaker and the mounting bracket, we have to wire it up. And instead of cutting into the wires, I went ahead and bought these wire harness that just connect straight to the OEM factory harness thing, and
Like
then
an extension, basically.
Yeah, basically. So go ahead and get the new speaker. Well, where'd you put it? There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and where's the plastic cap? I'm not leaning.
There's no cap.
So the black, I'm assuming, would go straight to black, and the white to white. So go ahead and just pop these in. Right? Is that, wait, hold on. So trying to install the wire harness is pretty easy. And now this thing doesn't have too good of tape left. But
Not much stick left on it.
yeah, but we should be fine. Just try your
Do our
best
best
to keep the formation of it on this wire. Where's the tab? Is this it? Yes.
Yes. Bolts right here, which holds this whole piece up to the metal frame of the door. So what we did was we took the speaker out, took the stock speaker out, placed it up against it, lined it up with these holes. There's like little tiny holes. This is one. We didn't use that one, but we basically took screws that came with the harness, and we screwed it into the this bracket right here to hold it up against it and plugged it in.
Yeah.
So we tested it out and everything sounds right, works.
So now all we have to do is put the door back on, and it's vice versa. I mean, not vice versa. It's the opposite of just taking it off. So we'll just do a quick, little
Undo.
Yeah, I guess like a time lapse maybe, or something like that. But now we're just gonna put on the door. So we'll see you.
So that was our installation on Pioneer 2 front door speakers. driver side and passenger side. Now, we only showed you guys one side because we thought it would be too boring to show you guys both left and right.
Video.
So we only showed the driver side, but it's the same. It's the same thing, both left and right. Same screws, same clips. That's about it.
Although the one slight difference is that on the passenger side, the window control box thing, it only has one clip wire. Oh, I'm at the frame. My bad. It only has one clip wire, so
it's even better for you.
That's easier.
Yeah, saved us a lot of time there.
Yeah.
Saved us a lot of time second time around because we actually had a hang of what we were doing. Didn't take us a while. We didn't have to pause and play, and had to cut out a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, but again, thank you for watching. This is gonna be another long process of building our cars. As you can see, just doing small things here and there. But you know the vibes. Thank you.